be making two easy different slime.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Sorry, my water going down.
I'm sorry about the background
That's
noise.
the water.
My dad just turned on the microwave and I'm talking to Madison.
It's the water going down the chute.
So today me and Madison are doing the same video. We're making two different types of slime.
And I'm with a very special guest. Say hi, Mabel.
Hi.
Do this.
Hi, Windex.
Really bad in here.
Hi, Windex. Oh my god.
Why are you calling her Windex?
I'm not. She had Windex behind her phone. Okay, so first up, I'm making. I just poured my glue in. I have.
Mabel, what's your first slime that you're making?
I'm just making a normal slime first up. So I just
I'm
poured.
going to be making slime too, and I'm going to be making a flux.
I'm pouring baby oil into. I just poured 4 cups of baby oil with the mineral oil into my glue.
So get your glue. Make sure you have all your materials. Okay.
Oh God, I think this needs more glue. Add little by little of extra stuff. Oh my God, no. There's activator in this bowl. Guys, there's literally activator in the bowl already. So like, I'm sorry if the slime doesn't turn out very good.
You have to use it to say.
Do you have any contact solution I can use? Do you have any contact solution I can use?
Me?
No.
Oh, I'm like, I have contact lenses, but
I can't use it.
I want to see my color. That's like a pretty color. So now you want to get
my cap off.
your activator, and my activator is borax powder and some really boiling hot water. Now you can see the smoke coming up. And then if it's sticky, I'll put
I'm putting
if it's
my
I'll
third
put the contact.
ingredient or whatever. Third step ingredient, whatever you want to call it, is coloring. So I'm adding glow in the dark. This is actually going to be glow in the dark slime. I wasn't thinking about this, but I am doing a normal slime, except it's going to be glowing in the dark because I'm using glow in the dark paint.
I don't need any more activators.
So, let's start mixing my 3 ingredients.
When it's ready and it's not sticky, you can go in with your hands.
Okay. I added green glow in the dark paint. So that was my third ingredient, the green glow in the dark paint. I'm scared that you guys can't hear me. I'm sorry if I repeated that too much for you though. So
Watery?
I am getting on to the next step.
Really watery,
My hand
but
touched it.
and it's a pretty color. It's gonna get in the sticky phase soon. Do you know like the slime sticky phase?
Yeah. Do you have any contact solution I can use?
Yeah, I have some contact solution that you can use.
Can I use it?
Yeah, sure.
Just add some contact lens solution in your slime. Wait,
All the YouTube people, hanging there.
It will not make it less sticky, but it will kind of help, kind of not. If you have a specific kind of slime. If my teeth are blue, I'm sorry, but I was just eating a ring pop. A blue ring pop, if you wanted to know if it was blue or not. But you can kind of tell.
Sorry about that, guys. I need to go.
Are you making crunchy slime?
What?
Are you making crunchy slime for your next one?
No. This one was glow in the dark. Next, I'm gonna make.
I know what we can do. We can add our slimes together.
No. No thanks.
So at the end, we might be able to add because she doesn't want to. If my slimes come out. How's your slime? Yeah.
I haven't even added the activator yet. Like, I'm literally just adding the activator.
My slime is literally not sticky.
Okay. So just added the activator. I'm not good. Like, I'm using a straw right now. I don't know why.
It's not sticky.
Let's get rid of
I
that.
don't throw batch of slime. I don't like using it.
Where are those black spoon sports things? Used all of them? Do you have anything I can use? Because a straw is not working.
Guys, if you are out there watching my YouTube video and you're coming to my sleepover, you have a lot of fun coming. It's going to be really fun. And you don't want to know what it's going to be. Need more glue.
This next slime is going to have to be small because
Your
this
slime
is
is
not
not really
activating.
activating.
My slime isn't activating, so I'm going to end up having to switch activators.
Why isn't your slime activating?
Here, I'll give you one of these. Don't put it in with the regular stuff.
Oh god, I just added like way too much Tide though.
So I'm just going to mix this all
Here's my
around.
first slime, guys.
Double check it, because I was pretty sure that was him this morning. When I went home to get gas.
Okay, since my slime didn't turn out right and I added way too much activator and it's all at the bottom, my next slime was going to be determined on this. And since there's just Tide all at the bottom of the bowl, I think I'm going to do backwards slime next.
You said, well, I guess I'm going to have the back out of here now.
I need the trash can.
Fluffy slime, my favorite kind of slime. But also, I really wanted to do jiggling slime. Comment down below if I should do another YouTube video with maybe 2 of the next kind of, my nails are marble, 2 of the next kind, the easy slimes to do. Comment down below if I should do it. I only have 5 minutes left to spare.
Same.
Well,
Thanks for watching part 1 of my YouTube video.
oh, you only do part 1 to part 2? Thanks for watching part 1 of this YouTube video. Well, I'm not done with my slime yet, so...
So here's my ending slime. I will do an update on this on Musical.ly. If you end up wanting me to, just leave in the comments if you want me to do an update of it on Musical.ly.
If you follow my
If I can
Musical.ly,
fix it. But yeah.
my slime is
Bye,
like not
guys.
stretchy at all. Look at, like you really need your muscles to stretch.
Bye.